Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 S550 4MATIC. This one is an anthracite blue. Underneath the hood is a V8 bi-turbo with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch twin 5-spoke wheels, a silk beige leather interior with a burl walnut trim, panorama sunroof, ambient lighting, rear spoiler, S550 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, active ventilated seats, heated seats, Burmeister sound system, heated steering wheel, multi-contour massage seats, soft closing doors, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, driver's assistance package with Distronic Plus, with steering assist, dual climate controls, cup holders, hard keys for our media display, turn wheel for our infotainment center, our dial pad for our phone, sports and comfort mode. This S-Class has 79,630 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.